Hi guys, today I want to show you how to send large files with Yahoo Mail. So first open Yahoo Mail, click on Compose, choose full-sized or compact. Let's keep it as compact. Now add the recipient email here. Example email address, add the subject example, subject 1, and here. If you add large files from here, you will get the notification that the file size is too big. So we're going to go to the drive, select, for example, your file that you want to send. And here, for example, we're going to send MP4 heavy file. For example, let's choose this file, click on the three dots, click on Share, and click on Copy Link. So make sure here that this file it can be shared with multiple users. So let's modify this now. Share, click on Share. And here just don't remove the restricted option from general access to any one of the link. Click on that, and now get back here and click on Copy Link. Head over to Yahoo Mail and pass the Google Drive link. And in this way, you can send large files using Google Drive and Yahoo Mail in few simple steps. And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment.